Are you on a quest for tasty snacks while following the keto diet? Look no further. Snacking can be a delightful part of your low-carb journey, providing bursts of energy and satisfaction between meals. In this article, we'll explore 3 scrumptious and easy-to-make keto-friendly snacks that will tantalize your taste buds without derailing your diet goals. Whether you're a fan of creamy avocados and savory bacon, crispy cheese, or crunchy trail mix, we've got you covered. Get ready to discover a world of delicious possibilities that will keep you fueled and on track with your keto lifestyle. Make sure to stay until the end to find out all the best information, and remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional guides for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Also, check out the awesome products that are running exclusive, limited time deals just for our viewers here at Beyond Living in the description and in the top pinned comments that we recommend for all our viewers for vitality, healthy living, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. Snack number 1. Avocado and bacon roll-ups. If you're craving a savory and satisfying snack, look no further than these delectable avocado and bacon roll-ups. Avocados are a keto superstar, packed with healthy fats and fiber to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Combine them with crispy bacon, and you've got a flavor combination that's out of this world. To make these roll-ups, start by slicing ripe avocados into thin strips. Next, take slices of cooked bacon and wrap them around each avocado strip, securing them with toothpicks if needed. The result? A perfect marriage of creamy avocado and smoky bacon that's sure to delight your taste buds. Not only are these roll-ups delicious, but they're also packed with nutrients that support your keto lifestyle. Avocados are rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, while bacon adds protein to keep you feeling full and satisfied. Plus, the combination of fats and protein makes these roll-ups a great option for keeping your energy levels stable throughout the day. Whether you enjoy them as a mid-afternoon snack or a quick bite before hitting the gym, these avocado and bacon roll-ups are sure to become a favorite in your keto snack repertoire. So grab your ingredients and get rolling, your taste buds will thank you. Snack number 2. Cheese and pepperoni chips. Craving something crunchy and satisfying? These cheese and pepperoni chips are the perfect keto-friendly snack for satisfying your snack cravings without straying from your low-carb lifestyle. To make these crispy delights, start by preheating your oven and lining a baking sheet with parchment paper. Then, place small piles of shredded cheese on the baking sheet, leaving space between each pile. Top each pile with a slice of pepperoni, and pop them in the oven until they're golden and crispy. The result? A crunchy, savory chip that's bursting with flavor and perfect for dipping or munching on its own. Plus, they're packed with protein and healthy fats to keep you feeling full and satisfied between meals. The beauty of these cheese and pepperoni chips is their versatility. Feel free to experiment with different types of cheese and seasonings to create your own unique flavor combinations. Whether you prefer cheddar, mozzarella, or something a bit spicier, the options are endless. Not only are these chips delicious, but they're also incredibly easy to make and perfect for meal prep. Whip up a batch on the weekend and store them in an airtight container for a quick and convenient snack throughout the week. So next time you're craving something crunchy on the keto diet, give these cheese and pepperoni chips a try. Your taste buds will thank you. Snack number 3. Keto trail mix. Say goodbye to carb-laden trail mixes and hello to this delicious and satisfying keto-friendly version. Traditional trail mix may be off-limits on the keto diet due to its high sugar and carb content, but fear not, we've got a recipe that's sure to satisfy your snack cravings while keeping you on track with your low-carb goals. To whip up a batch of this keto trail mix, start by gathering your favorite nuts and seeds. Think almonds, walnuts, pecans, and pumpkin seeds, all packed with healthy fats and protein to keep you fueled throughout the day. Next, add some unsweetened coconut flakes for a touch of sweetness and crunch. But wait, there's more. To amp up the flavor and nutritional value, throw in some dark chocolate chips or cacao nibs for a rich and indulgent treat. Not only will they satisfy your sweet tooth, but they'll also provide a boost of antioxidants to keep you feeling your best. Once you've got all your ingredients assembled, simply mix them together in a bowl and portion out into individual servings for easy snacking on the go. Whether you're hitting the trails or just need a quick pick-me-up between meals, this keto trail mix is sure to hit the spot. The best part? You can customize this trail mix to suit your taste preferences and dietary needs. Swap out nuts and seeds, add in some dried berries or spices, the possibilities are endless. So grab a handful and enjoy the deliciousness of this keto-friendly snack without any of the guilt. In conclusion, these 3 keto-friendly snacks offer a delicious and satisfying way to fuel your body while sticking to your low-carb goals. From creamy avocado and bacon roll-ups to crispy cheese and pepperoni chips, and finally, the delightful keto trail mix, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Snacking on the keto diet doesn't have to be boring or bland. With a little creativity and some simple ingredients, you can indulge in tasty treats that keep you on track with your health and wellness goals. So why wait? Give these snacks a try and discover just how delicious and satisfying the keto lifestyle can be. Whether you're a seasoned keto veteran or just starting out on your journey, these snacks are sure to become staples in your diet. Remember, the key to success on the keto diet is finding enjoyable and sustainable ways to eat that support your health and well-being. So next time you're feeling peckish, reach for one of these delicious snacks and savor every bite. What are you waiting for? Get snacking and enjoy the benefits of the keto lifestyle today.